Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight it was a very volatile session right across the board as the Australian dollar rejects the bottom side of its range and after a challenge that was brief, broke through the 60-day simple moving average and rallied on and nearly claimed the 64-cent handle. In light of how the technicals look, they are still bullish and therefore should still find further coverage to the upside and look towards that 64 cent and reassess from there. Euro smashed through the level of 110 and sustained above there and now looks further to 111 as a potential target. Given the fact that the dollar index has melted down further and now looking for further play into the downside, could see the euro move on to 112 as a potential target and reassess. The dollar yen, since taking out that key level above 148, had nearly claimed a target that is seen at 144. Given the fact from the measure move down, there is still further coverage, I believe, to eventually reach its objective of 144 and reassess. Turning to sterling, well, the market reached its objective of 131 and still holds to a bullish stance, and therefore could see a rally on to 133 before any weakness is likely to be seen or profit taking. Coming up with commodities, a very whipsaw price action, but nevertheless, there is a bit of a question mark as this spinning top could actually see a little bit of weaker play into gold and therefore see a pullback towards the region of 3,080 before rally on to 3,200 and reassess. Also, oil plummeted from the top side of its call of 71.5 and now back towards the bottom side of its range around $66 a barrel. I do believe the base should hold from there, so I do expect to see bargain hunters return and see a rebound. That could see a rally on to $69 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the Easter report. And I hope you enjoyed the great start to the new weekend.